Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Gator Method, a way to insert yourself into somebody else's deal. Imagine this, if you didn't have to find any real estate transactions, you didn't have to cold call, you didn't have to go and knock doors, spend money on leads, do any of that stuff. All you had to do was find the people that are doing that, which is millions of people, by the way, in the country. If I gave you access to lines of credit, maybe some of my own money, Pace's money, and you could go to those people and say, hey, do you need down payments? Hey, do you need construction money? Hey, do you need refinance money? How much money could you make? Because everybody's looking for private money lenders. They're all looking for private money partners. They're all looking to access cash in order to get these deals done. So imagine this, there's a wholesaler. And they're out there knocking doors, cold calling, sending out postcards, and they're trying to find sellers that are in foreclosure, probate, whatever it may be that they're going and targeting. Let's just say foreclosure. Wholesaler calling foreclosure lead says, yes, Subto student, you can buy my house subject to, but I want $10,000 as a down payment. Ooh, yikes, where's that $10,000 coming from? Well, the answer is it's coming from Gators. What I teach is I teach Gators how to access large lines of credit, access my own personal cash, so that they can take that $10,000 and bring that over to the Subto student. And again, either A, make some transactional money very quick, less than 10 days. B, they can even insert themselves into that deal and say, hey, Subto student, I know I didn't find the deal, but I'm bringing the $10,000 to the table. Do you want to partner with me? Or maybe can I have some monthly cash flow for a longer duration? Gators are the people who fund the deals. People out there finding the deals need somebody to fund the deal. So the Gator Method is all about funding other people's transactions. You're not out there going and finding transactions, negotiating with sellers, doing follow-up, negotiating with agents, cold calling, doing all that kind of stuff. All you do is get access to capital so that other people's deals can actually come to fruition. And for that, bringing capital to the table, you get paid multiple different ways. So Gator's a really great way to get started in real estate. Why? Well, because I don't have to go out and generate all the leads. I don't have to know how to negotiate with sellers. In fact, if you're gonna go out and find deals, you know what you have to learn? So much more. Gators don't have to learn as much, and because they don't have to learn as much, they can get into real estate much faster. The challenge is, if you don't have all the right tools in your tool belt, watching this video was a waste. So click on the video on your screen. We're gonna talk about all the tools I use in my real estate business that you should be using too.